I'm Chris Sissons from Market Together. We've just finished the workshop, How to Tell Your Marketing Stories Online. And here are a couple of the participants who are going to tell you how they found the workshop. Susie.
Yeah, it was really, really good, and it gave you an insight into proper storytelling and then putting it into a business marketing content. So I would recommend it to anybody, and thank you to Carmel and to Chris.
And Audrey.
Yes, thank you, Carmel and Chris. Really enjoyed the session. Gave me more of an in-depth information on what I can put into my story to make it more appealing to people who are reading it, and expressing more of who I am and what I do, and also, yes, the technical stuff of how to put it into an email. Thank you very much. Really enjoyable and very informative.
As you will have gathered, the workshop was led jointly by me and by Carmel Page, who is actually holding the camera at the moment and so staying very quiet. And I think the big issue that came out very much in the workshop is making that decision to actually share your stories. And that's clearly very important if you're using stories in marketing. So do get in touch if you're interested in storytelling in marketing, and I'm sure we'll be able to help you. Thank you.